Look at this. I needed 50 SEO descriptions written for my website. So I asked Claude Code to write all 50 for me. But here's the thing, the first try wasn't always good. Some were too long, some forgot to mention the topic. Normally, I would have to read all 50 myself and fix the bad ones by hand. Instead, I built something that checks its own work. If a description isn't good enough, it automatically tries again. No me involved at all. It just keeps going until it gets it right. That's called loop engineering. And today, I want to teach you exactly what it is and how to build your very first one using Claude Code from scratch. Okay, let's start super simple. What is loop engineering? You already might know what a regular loop is. It is when you tell the computer do this one thing again and again for every item on a list, like writing a greeting for every name in a list of names. Loop engineering is a step up from that. It is not just repeat this, it is repeat this and check if it worked, and if it didn't, try again until it is actually good. Think of it like a kid practicing free throws in a basketball. A regular loop is just shoot the ball 10 times, no matter what. Loop engineering is shoot the ball. Did it go in? No? Then shoot again. Yes? Great. Move to the next shot. The loop isn't just repeating blindly, it is checking the result and deciding what to do next. That's the whole idea. Repeat, check, decide, and repeat again if needed. So, why does this actually matter? Because normally, when you ask an AI like Claude to do 50 things, you have to be the one checking all 50 answers yourself. That takes forever. But if you teach the loop to check its own work, using Claude to check Claude, basically you don't have to sit there reading 50 answers one by one. The loop does the checking for you and only stops once every answer is actually good. Let's build this together, one small piece at a time. First, a regular loop, the kind without any checking yet. Here's what that looks like in Python. This just goes through the list, asks Claude once for each topic, and shows us the answer. No checking. Whatever Claude says first, we keep, even if it is not great. Now, here's the upgrade, the loop engineering part. Instead of asking once and moving on, we are going to ask Claude to check its own answer and only stop once the answer passes the check. Here's what that looks like. Topics equals Claude API cost, AWS Lambda pricing for topic in topics. Let's slow way down now and go through this piece by piece because every line here matters. Good enough equals false. We start by saying we don't have a good answer yet, just like saying not done before you have even started. Tries equals zero. We are counting how many times we have tried, starting at zero. While good enough equals false and tries less than three, this is the no part. A while loop doesn't repeat a fixed number of times like our first loop did. It keeps repeating as long as something is true. Here, it keeps going as long as we don't have a good answer yet and we haven't tried more than three times. Response equal called Claude topic. We asked Claude to write this description same as before. Check equals call Claude. Is this good? Answer yes or no plus response. And here's the new trick. We asked Claude second time, but this time not write anything new. We ask it to judge the thing it just wrote. Is it good? Yes or no? If yes, then check. If Claude says yes, we flip good enough to true and the loop stops because we got what we wanted. Else, tries equals tries plus one. If Claude says no, we add one to our tries counter and the loop goes around again, asking for a new answer and checking it again. And that tries less than three part. That's important and it is easy to forget when you are starting out. Without it, if Claude somehow never said yes, the loop would just keep going forever. Adding a limit, try three times, then stop no matter what, is what keeps your loop from running away from you. This is really the whole heart of loop engineering. Repeat, check, decide, always have a limit so it can't run forever. Now, here's how you would actually build this with Claude Code, step by step, even if you have never coded before. Step 1, open Claude Code and just describe what you want in plain words. Something like write a Python script that goes through a list of topics, ask Claude to write a short description for each one, then asks Claude to check if the description is good and tries again up to three times if it is not. Step 2, Claude Code will write the script for you using the same pattern we just walked through, a loop, a check, a limit. Step 3, run it on a tiny list first. Just 2 or 3 topics. Watch what happens. Read the output, make sure it is actually checking and retrying the way you expect. Step 4, once it works on the small list, add your real full list of topics and let it run. That's genuinely it. You just built something that doesn't only do the work, it also checks its own work and fixes itself when it is not good enough without you doing anything in the middle. That's the actual project behind those 50 SEO description I showed you at the start. Same loop, 3 tries limit. It just ran on a much bigger list. If you try building your own loop like this, tell me what you built it for in the comments. I would genuinely love to see it. If this helped, subscribe and watch this video next.